What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be working on something a little bit different. Hidden away, I got my dusty old bike in here along with a bunch of car parts and some random stuff, but goddamn, she dusty. So we're gonna pull this old girl out and we're gonna get her back to life. Alright guys, this is my 06 GSXR 600. So a few things we need to do to it. Battery is 100% dead. Back tire is very flat. Our paint is all screwed up. We're gonna have to throw some paint on here. New tires. We're just gonna have to rebuild this whole thing pretty much. We're gonna throw a battery in here and see if she starts up. So we got this battery off Amazon. It was on sale for $80. This guy is actually way too tall. So there's our factory battery versus what we got. So we're gonna have to send this guy back and see if we can find a shorter battery. We sent our old battery back. This new one we got on Amazon for $83. Definitely smaller than the other one. We're gonna get the seat back off, toss this battery in. Looks like it'll work perfect. All right, gold terminals. All right, guys, she's in there. So we're gonna try to start her up. Start her right up. We're gonna take all these body panels off, sand them down, get them ready for paint, and we're gonna have to get our new tires on here. So here I ordered some tires off Amazon. So here we got some new Pirellis. These are Pirelli Angels. We'll get these tires off the bike and get them ready to go to the bike shop to get put on. These tires, front and rear, ran us $250 on Amazon. All right, guys, we officially got a naked bike, but we got all of our fairings over here. So all those guys are off. Now we can start cleaning all this stuff up, sand them down, prime them up, get them ready for paint. Do a little chip check. Here's the paint that we're gonna be using on the bike. This is a Mesa Gray from Restoration Shop. So I got this guy on Amazon for 105 bucks. Comes with the strainer and comes with some hardener. You gonna fix this bike for us, dude? Okay. All right, guys, wheels are off. We're gonna take these guys and get a new set thrown on. All right, guys, got our tires mounted on our wheels. Mounting these two tires came out to 80 bucks. A little pricey, but you gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. All right, guys, we're just working on some of the fairings. I was getting some of these stickers off. We're gonna take some of these pieces outside, sand them up, and get them ready for primer. So we got most of our fairing pieces sanded. We're gonna get ready to start priming her up. The only thing that we didn't get sanded is this gas tank. I'm gonna take this off here in a minute, but first we're gonna prime some of our fairings. We're gonna hit this with some acetone, and then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of primer. I might hit this one with some filler primer right here because there was a little bit of a gash. That's why that's sanded down a little bit more. We got our fuel tank off, we got our plastic off of our fuel tank, and we got our fuel pump out of there. All right guys, we got all of our fairing pieces primed and sanded. So first we sanded these fairing pieces down with 220 grit, then we hit it with 400 grit, and then we primed them. After we primed them, we hit them with 1,000 grit, and now they're ready for paint. We spent about $27 of primer, 3 cans worth. Got 2 packs of sandpaper, which was about 10 bucks. We got all of our fairings painted, we got our tank painted, got our other tank painted. Everything's looking great. I love the color. The paint's pretty dry to the touch. It probably hasn't cured 100%, but we could probably start putting some of it together. What you think, dude? Cool color? I think we're gonna actually start by getting our wheels and tires back on. So we'll get our front fender on and our front wheel first. We'll start from there. We'll get our calipers back on, get that guy laying back on the ground. Then we'll come back here, throw our rear tire on, and then we'll start getting the rest of the fairings back on. We got our first painted piece on. We got our wheel with our new tires on. We got our calipers back on. So we're gonna go ahead and put our rear tire back on, and we'll start getting the rest of the fairings back on. We got our back tire on. I cleaned and lubed up the chain on here. Now we can start getting some of these other fairings on here. All right, guys, we got the bike back together. So the only thing we don't have on right now are our mirrors, and those guys are just drying. So I got those 2 mirrors drying right here. Yeah, they're about ready. These are the last pieces we have to throw on. All right, guys, mirrors are on, and this bike is pretty much done. So I did order a few tank grips. So I ordered the one on the side right here because I ended up taking the other one off. I was gonna paint around it, but that didn't feel right. Ended up taking that guy off, and we got a new one on the way. We also got the little belt guard. We'll put those guys on when they arrive. Everything's pretty much on, guys. We got our new shoes on here. We got a lubed up chain. The paint looks amazing. Got our windscreen on, got our headlight on. I restored the headlight. I hit it with a headlight restore kit. Looks like a whole new bike. I'm happy with it. We got our mirrors painted. We got our gas cap painted. I felt a few raindrops, so I'm gonna get this bike back in the shed so we don't get water droplets on our new paint. We got the bike filled up with premium. I'm gonna take her on a little ride. But thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.